Hello, today let me teach you on how to make your transition work in your video. So I have these clips here, few clips here. So when I play over here, I get no transition. So what I'm gonna do is go to untitled. So when you first import your videos, you see only untitled here. So sometimes you may not even see the effects here. So media browser info, and then you cannot find the effects. So at that point of time, make sure that you zoom this out and then you see these effects. Okay, so when you click on effect, you see a bunch of presets, audio effects, audio transition, video effects. So what you need to do is go to video transition. So click here and then you get bunch of options. So wipe, stretch, special effects like page peel, many things are there. So to apply this, I have to drag and drop them. So you can play around with this and put whatever you like. So let me click on the 3D motion and then let me choose curtain. So let's drag and drop here and see what happens. So previously there was nothing. Now let's play from here. Now you get this effect. So when we go here, over here, there is nothing. See, it just happens. So let's choose another one. Let's go to page peel, for example, and then center peel. Let's try with center peel over here, then drag and drop here. Now let's play and see what happens. So here you cannot see any effects, no transition. Here there's nothing. Over here there's the transition, we put C. So that's what we've added. Now we will put here another one. Let's say slide, then band slide. You drag and drop here again, band slide. So you can see something here, the effect is already taking place. So let's see the effects. Yeah, so that's the transition. See, we have applied. So that's it. If you don't put any transition, let's cut over here, make some more clip and see whether it works or not. See, here there is transition. Over here no transition. Yes, see, over here no transition. So let's put another one more transition and see what happens. So let's go to special effect, displays, and put here once. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, see, look at the effect. Now if you don't like that one, you Control Z, and then let's go to stretch. Let's put stretch and see. Stretch. So that's it. That's how to put your transition. So make sure you go to effects and find all these things out, play around and choose the best one you like. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video again. If you have any comments, if you have any doubt, please reach out in the comment. Thank you.